Hi friends, I believe you're preparing for IELTS. Well, there are many myths out there. So all that you hear may not be right. Let's get started. Myth number 1. Your score will be different if you take the exam in a different test center. No, it's not about the test center, the scores depend on your proficiency in English. Myth number 2. You will end up scoring poor band in the speaking section if you don't speak in English accent. Really? No. Accent is not a problem, it's a pronunciation that might sometimes change the meaning. For example, content and content are two different words with different meanings, wherein content is the matter and content is feeling satisfied. Myth number 3. General IELTS exam is easier than academics exam. Well, I wouldn't disagree. Indeed, it's not true. The exam is all about the purpose. General IELTS is chosen by people looking for a PR and academics for studies, so the questions are framed to meet these purposes. I believe you had these questions in your mind and I was able to help you out. Let's meet in the coming days and crack IELTS. Bye!
Inspire.